Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document to JPEG, PNG, or GIF. First, open your Microsoft Word file, then type anything you want. After that, I want you to select that text, right-click, copy, and on the top menu, at home, select paste, and select paste special. Right here, we have various options, but we only need the picture enhanced meta file. Click OK. Next, right-click on the picture, and right here, Save as Picture. Name your file, and right below this, Save as Type. There's going to be a drop down, and select any file type you want. Click OK, and then Save. And you're done. Quick and easy. I hope you found this video very helpful.